Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make your own ranch dressing. Start by gathering ingredients and chilling them so flavors meld well. Measure 1 cup mayo, 1 cup sour cream, and 1 cup buttermilk. Finely chop herbs and whisk in dry seasonings. Taste and adjust salt, pepper, or acidity with a squeeze of lemon. Chill at least 30 minutes for best results, then serve with veggies, wings, or as a sandwich spread. Choose herbs based on the flavor profile you want and chop them fine so they blend smoothly without large bits. If fresh herbs are unavailable, use 1/3 the amount of dried herbs for similar impact. Combine dill, chives, and parsley for a balanced, classic ranch, or add cilantro for a twist. Mix and taste, then adjust quantities until the flavor feels balanced and lively, not overpowering. For texture, add buttermilk a tablespoon at a time until you reach a drizzle or dip consistency. If you prefer thicker ranch for dipping, reduce buttermilk or add a bit more sour cream. Keep the dressing in a sealed jar and label with the date to track freshness. Chilling helps flavors meld and thicken slightly, and shaking before serving refreshes the herbs and emulsifies any separation that may occur.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.